In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord channel read-only step by step. A read-only channel is very useful if you want to post announcements, server rules, updates, or important information without allowing regular members to send messages inside the channel. This helps keep important messages clean, organized, and easy for everyone to read without unnecessary spam or conversations filling up the channel. Don't worry if you're new to Discord server management, because this tutorial is very beginner-friendly and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to create the read-only channel. Once you're inside the server, move to the channel list on the left side. Now, right-click anywhere in the channel section and click on Create Channel. A pop-up window will appear asking what type of channel you want to create. Make sure Text Channel is selected because read-only channels are usually created as text channels. Now give your channel a name. For example, you can name it Rules, Announcements, Updates, or Read-Only, depending on its purpose. After entering the name, click Create Channel. Now the channel has been created, but regular members can still send messages inside it. So next, we need to change the permissions to make it read-only. Move your mouse over the new channel and click on the small gear icon to open Edit Channel Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look at the left sidebar and click on Permissions. This section controls what server members are allowed to do inside the channel. Now scroll down until you find the Text Channel Permissions section. Here you will see many different permission options like sending messages, attaching files, creating threads, and more. The most important setting we need is Send Messages. Find Send Messages and click the red X option beside it. This tells Discord that regular users are not allowed to type messages in this channel. You can also disable additional permissions like add reactions or create public threads if you want the channel to stay completely clean and focused only on announcements. After changing the permissions, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. This step is very important because your settings will not apply unless you save them. Now close the settings window and go back to the channel. At this point, you can post messages normally if you have admin or moderator permissions, but regular server members will only be able to read the messages and not reply. This setup works perfectly for rules channels, update channels, news sections, event announcements, or any place where you want information to stay organized and easy to read. Another useful tip is to place your read-only channels near the top of your server so new members can easily find important information when they join. You can also customize your channel with emojis or category sections to make your server look cleaner and more professional. And that's it. You now know how to create a read-only channel in Discord step by step. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials, server setup guides, and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.